Yes, why these students raise their hand? Any problem? Yes, Usman Siddiqui, any problem? And you are privately joining. 100 times I told you, you must join through LMS. Otherwise, you will be marked absent. I will not be responsible for your present. I will not do anything. What's the problem with the LMS? Didn't you pay the fee? LMS is blocked for you. If anyone is joining privately, so I will not be responsible for their attendance. The academic people marking the attendance through the LMS, they are checking by attendance as well as the LMS. If they are not present on the LMS, they may not mark them present. They may be marked absent. So I told you clearly, Usman Siddiq, already you have the 6 absent. You already have the 6 absent. If you are marked present again today absent, so you will be dropped. Okay. So after that, we'll shift the dx on the other side. And now we will integrate. E raised to power minus 5x into y is equal to 0 dx. Here the derivative is cancelled by the integration. We have e raised to power minus 5x is equal to the integration of 0 into dx will be 0. The integration of 0 will be constant. Sorry. Into y is equal to constant. So y will be equal to e raised minus 5x will be shifted on the other side. It will become c e raised to power 5x. This is the answer. Y is equal to c e raised to power 5x. Y is equal to c e raised to power 5x is the answer. This is the way how to solve this. Again, I am telling you that was dy upon dx is equal to 5y. I shifted 5y on that side. All the y, all the terms involving y, they must be shifted on the left side. So y minus y, here it is equal to 0. Now if there are more than one terms of y, we will take y common. We will take y common if there are more than one terms of y. Okay, this will be, then we'll find the integrating factor. How to find the integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e raised to power integral of the coefficient of y dx. So integration of minus 5 dx will be minus 5x. So the answer is e raised to power minus 5x. This is the integrating factor. Now multiply. We will multiply by the integrating factor. This one, this one, this one. So this whole will become derivative with respect to x of integrating factor into y. Integrating factor into y equal to 0 into e raised to power minus 5x will be 0. Now dx is shifted on the other side. it will become derivative of e raised to power minus 5x into y is equal to 0 dx. Integrating both the sides, so this derivative and integration are cancelled. The answer is e raised to power minus 5x into y. And here the derivative of 0 with respect to x will be c. If there is some number, for example 4, it will become 4x, then plus c. There is no x, this is 0, the answer is c, the constant. So if we divide by e raised to power minus 5x here as well as here, divide by my e raised to power minus 5x, so it will become, this is cancelled, this will become e raised to power 5x multiplied by e raised to power 5x. When it is divided, when c is divided, when c is divided by e raised to power minus 5x, it will go upside c e raised to power 5x. This is the answer. Y is equal to c e raised to power 5x. Now we'll do question number 2. Understood this one? Have you all understand? Okay. Now we'll do the next question, question number 2. We will do question number 2. Y dash plus 2xy is equal to y dash plus 2xy is equal to x cube dy upon dx. dy y dash means dy upon dx plus 2xy is equal to x cube. This is the standard linear differential equation. There should be no y on the right side, there should be no y, no term involving y. There is, so it is satisfying this condition. Y is on the right side, on the left side. So this is the standard differential equation. Now we will find the integrating factor. Integrating factor will be equal to e raised to power integral of the coefficient of y, that is plus 2x. We will integrate it with respect to x. It will become e raised to power 2. Here is x, so it will become x square upon 2. 2 is cancelled by 2. It is e raised to power x square. Integrating factor is e raised to power x square. We multiply the whole term. We will multiply the whole equation with the integrating factor. It will become e raised to power x square dy upon dx plus 2x y e raised to power x square is equal to x cube e raised to power x square. On the right side, this is actual derivative of integrating factor e raised to power x square into y. You have to write this one. Integrating derivative of d of dx of e raised to integrating factor into y only. Don't leave it to the whole one. Integrating factor into y. If you open this, you will get the same thing. And equal to x cube e raised to power x square multiplied by dx derivative of e raised to power x square y x cube e raised to power x square dx. Integrating both the sides. So this is cancelled. Here we will get e raised to power x square y. But that will be integrating by integration by parts. There are two numbers, u dv. We will use the formula of u dv, integration of u dv. Integration of u dv. We will use that formula to solve this one, the integration x cube. Okay, I am doing that one. Here I will do integration of x cube e raised to power x square dx. U dv. U will be taken e raised to power x square. So derivative du will be equal to e raised to power x square into derivative of x square, that is 2x. U is equal to e raised to power x square and du will be equal to 2x e raised to power x square. Then x cube will be considered as dv dx. dv is equal to x cube dx. X cube dx is considered as dv and e raised to power x square is considered as u. So dv is this one, so we will be equal to integration of this one. Integration of x cube, it will be x4 upon 4. It will be x4 upon 4. Now we will multiply that one. Formula u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du minus integral v du. So we will change du and dv. This will be taken du du is equal to e raised to power x dx. Then u will be equal to this will be taken x cube will be equal to u. Then du will become 3x square dx, and this will be taken as dv e raised to power x square dx, e raised to power x square dx will be taken as dv. So v will be equal to integration of e raised to power x square dx. It will become e raised to power x square as it is upon the derivative of the power, that is 2x. In integration we divide by the derivative of the power, and in derivative we multiply with the derivative of the power. So now x cube e raised to power x square dx will become, first of all I am writing the formula. U dv integral will be equal to uv minus integral v du. U dv integral u dv will be equal to uv minus v du. So that is x cube e raised to power x square dx integral. So uv, this into this, uv will be equal to, this is u and this is v, uv x cube into e raised to power x square upon 2x minus integral v du, this one e raised to power x square upon 2x into du, v is this one and into du is this one, 3x square dx, 3x square dx. Simplify this one x is cancel, it will become 1 over 2 x e raised to power x square minus integral, this is also 1 x is cancel, this is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 will be taken outside, integral x e raised to power x square dx, 3 upon 2 is common outside of the integral, it will become x e raised to power x square dx. Furqan Muhammad Khan 780. So this is the, now again we will find the derivative of this one. Again this is considered as u and this will be considered as dv. This will be considered as u, this will be considered as dv. So again we will find this as u is equal to x then du will be equal to dx. dv is equal to e raised to power x square dx. Just like that, e raised to power x square dx is considered as dv. So v will become e raised to power x square upon 2x. V will
सर समझ
become
नहीं आया वाला.
e raised to power x square upon 2x. Now we will find the derivative of this one. X integral x e raised to power x square dx will become u into v, x into e raised to power x square upon 2x minus integral v du e raised to power x square upon 2x into dx. This is x is cancelled. So x e raised to power x square dx is equal to 1 over 2 e raised to power x square minus, this is also 1 over 2 into x upon x means x raised to power minus 1 into e raised to power x square dx. This x e raised to power x square dx will be replaced over there. 3 over 2 is constant, that will remain as it is, and x e raised to power x square dx will be replaced by this whole one. It will be replaced by this whole one. So therefore, from here if I start, x cube e raised to power x square dx integral will be equal to 1 over 2x e raised to power x square minus 3 over 2, then the whole integral x e raised to power x square will become 1 over 2 e raised to power x square minus 1 over 2 integral x raised to power minus 1 e raised to power x square dx. Or 1 over x. Instead of x raised to power 1 over 2, you may take 1 over x. And this the whole bracket closed. The whole bracket closed. Open this bracket. 1 over 2x e raised to power x square minus multiply by this one minus 3 upon 4 e raised to power x square, and this minus minus plus 3 over 4 integral 1 over x e raised to power x square dx, or I am changing the e raised to power x square 1 over x dx. I opened this one. Now again there are two functions. Again there are two functions. One e raised to power x square and 1 over x. Again there are two functions. So we have to do the integration again. So we will find the integration of this one. Integral e raised to power x square into 1 over x dx. It will become u into v. This is u. So this is u e raised to power x square into v. This is dv. Integral of 1 upon x will be ln x. If we consider it as dv, this is u. 1 will be u, 1 will be dv. So if I consider this as u, it will become e raised to power x square, u as it is, into derivative dv. So that will be v, integral of dv. So integral of 1 over x will be ln x minus integral again v. Whatever the v was there, again the same v. It will become ln x. That is the v. That was dv, so it will become v ln x into dv, the derivative of e raised to power x square. It will become e raised to power x square upon 2x. Integral of, derivative of 2x e raised to power x square. That has been integrated. इसका इंटीग्रल लिया, इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. यहां u v लिया है, एज इट इज लिया हमने, जैसे e रेस टू पावर ये u लिया है यहां, और यहां du लेंगे. तो u e रेस टू पावर एक्स स्क्वायर लिया, तो इसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. दैट विल बिकम दिस वन. सो दैट विल बिकम, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें, ln और e जो है आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. ln and e आर Usman Siddiqui. What is the problem with this boy? Okay. ln और e cancel हो जाएंगे. It will become e raised to power x square. Here also ln and e cancel. So x cube minus, here ln and e cancel. Integral of x into x cube x4 upon 2x4, and its integral with respect to x. Integral must be taken with respect to some variable, with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to t, etc. So it will become x cube minus 2x 5 upon 5. I will do again here. It will become x cube, integral e and ln cancel, x cube minus, here ln and e cancel, 2x square and x4, 2x4, integral of 2x4 dx. Integral of 2x4 will become x cube minus 2x5 upon 5 plus c. That will be. So this is the answer of this one. So ये हम यहाँ पर put कर देंगे इसकी जगह पर. So it will become the whole. It will become the whole answer of this one. X cube e raised to power x square dx. It will become this one plus this one, 1 over 2x e raised to power x square, 1 over 2x e raised to power x square minus 3 upon 4 e raised to power x square plus 3 upon 4 और e raised to power x square 1 over x dx. इस होल की जगह पर हम ये पुट कर देंगे एक्स क्यूब माइनस 2x5 upon 5 and plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. It was a quite lengthy question. So ये जो इसको हमने यहां से किया, you may use the tabular method, tabular form. You may use the tabular form. वजह इसके बार बार करने के हम इसको टेबुलर फॉर्म से भी कर सकते हैं. You may do it by tabular form as well. Understood? Understood all of you? टेबुलर फॉर्म से भी इसको किया जा सकता है, वो भी मैं करके बता देता हूं आपको. Should I rub it? Now I am doing with a tabular form. I will solve it, this one, with the tabular form. Okay? Up to here is same thing. Derivative is cancelled with the integration e raised to power x square y. So that is e raised to power x square into y. Equal to, that is solved by tabular form. That is solved by tabular form. This is considered as u, x cube, sorry, u and its derivatives. And here dv and its integrals. X cube will be considered as u and e raised to power x square dx will be considered